y'all. So today is a new day. We just finished the self-tape. Me and Cruz did the self-tape, so that went really well. I'm super happy about that. It's due tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern. I just submitted it, so. And then we have another one due Wednesday that we're gonna film tomorrow. Hopefully my brother will be available for that one. But right now, as you see behind me, we got this box in because mom, so you know how I hung up my stuff, like my t-shirts and everything like that, and I was trying to figure out like a clean way to do my jeans, and I was like doubling it up. Well, my mom said that I should do the baby hangers, so of course she went and bought me the baby hangers, guys. Shout out mom, just a little housewarming here and there. But that's what this box is. Hi, Clee. Oh, wait, I feel like there's something else in this box. Hold on. I don't want to scare her. Oh, well. Also, I want to say thank you for the love you guys have shown on the first video. To be completely honest, lately, if my videos don't have anything to do with like Grand Army, then I don't really get that many views. So I'm trying to not think too much about it and just like enjoy the journey of vlogging, and to even be at 100 views plus, like it just makes me happy because I want to grow a unique following. Like I want you guys to like be about me. Like I want this to be like, I want us to be like this, you know what I mean? So it's just cool to see like at least 100 of you guys have watched my video and like are enjoying it. Like that's fire. But let's get into this one right here. Oh, okay. I know what this is. Let me bring y'all a little closer though. Alright, so the top of my head is going to be a little cut off, but that's okay. Not a big deal. So, first things first, we had to get the poopery. Alright? Can y'all see this? We had to get the poopery, alright? It was very necessary because, well, I learned about this from my mom. She had it at her house in the guest bathroom. And like, I'm sure most of y'all know what this is, but like you spray before you're about to do your thing. So yes, we need that for the bathroom. Second thing is the kids hangers. I always call them baby hangers, but they're actually kid hangers. And again, we got them in gray. So that's definitely a plus because these jeans on the floor are stressing me out. I don't know what, oh, this is heavy. What is this? I don't know what this is. What is this? Wait a second, guys. We about to figure this out together. Oh, wait. Could this be the organizers? They're a lot smaller than I thought. Wait, that's so funny. They're a lot smaller than I thought, guys. Oh. Did I know they were this small? I'm pretty sure we did not know they were this small, but this might actually do. So these are, oh wait, this will do. This is for the bathroom. For the cabinets, or I mean the drawers. Because oh my god, this is so cute. I don't think we knew they were this small, but this actually might work, I think. I don't know. This is going to be saved for the bathroom video though, because we're going to like completely deep clean the entire bathroom. Like take everything out, deep clean, scrub, make it spotless so it feels like I was the first person who was here, and then organize the drawers and like put all my shampoos in like cool looking bottles and stuff. That's going to be its own video in itself, and then that's when you guys will see these again. For now, we're just going to put them in the bathroom. Kind of like a reminder to not forget to stay on that. Alright, cool. No, we like that. We like that. So that's clear, and then baby hangers. Baby hangers. This is good. This is good. Alright, I'm gonna make something to eat and hang up some jeans. And then a little bit later, me and Parker are gonna go to the grocery store to get some groceries. And then we work tonight. Alright, y'all. It's coming together. Let me zoom in. That looks good. So, hold on, let me go over there. So, we did the jeans and joggers, low key. So that's here. I mean, we got sweatpants up here. Sweatpants and like my Adidas jogger type pants. T-shirts here like y'all saw in the last vlog. Long sleeves here. Dressy stuff on this side. And this is gonna be hoodies and like winter stuff when it gets like even slightly cold out here. We got boxers and socks in there and tank tops. Down there, my workout clothes. Empty, and then just hats for now. Up here, I'm thinking shoes. Not that any of my shoes I would want to put up there with the way they look, but my mom was like, you should still do it. So, yeah, and then in this one, we got blankets, which we'll probably do. So I'm gonna get a new comforter set. And then like the throws, like the blanket throws or whatever they're called, they'll be up here. So then we'll do shoes, I guess, and then this will be whatever other storage. I'm thinking my hamper just because it actually looks cool. Well, not right now while it's full, but give me 1 second, you guys, because I gotta get it out of where it's at. This laundry basket's pretty cool. Like, look. I don't know. It's just like a vibe. I've never had like a cool laundry basket. It's always been like the little white. Matter of fact, I have it right in that corner, the little plastic white one. But like, this is pretty cool. Like, kind of fits perfectly in there. It's not like an ugly. It's not like an ugly one. And then remember that this is not gonna always be open. Eventually, it's gonna be closed by something we still haven't figured out. So you won't always see this, but at least when you do open and see it, like this is vibe. This is a vibe, right? It looks pretty cool. It goes. I think the grayish, you know, we got the gray, silverish gray. I think it works, guys. Alright, y'all, so fuck. Okay. So I just got back from Christine and Kirsty's, my good friends here in LA. They were getting rid of some stuff, and about a week or two ago, Kirsty sent me like a bunch of photos and videos of stuff that, you know, were being given away. And so I, you know, chose certain things that I thought would go well with my space. And so I just picked those up. I just picked them up. Christine was at the house, so I'm happy I got to see her because I haven't seen her since DC Pride. But yeah, what Clecho's sitting on right now is actually a brand new cat tree that Kirsty had got for the cats and never opened it. So that's a little prize for her. But I don't think I'm going to build that today, or maybe when I get back, because I have to run out again. So maybe when I get back, I'll build it. But if I'm like too tired, then I will make that a tomorrow project. Today's Saturday though, just for the reference. And then we got a bag of some like really cool hats and clothes. So I'm gonna go through, see. Oh, this is fire. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go through this stuff and see if I can find a place from it. And I also gotta make some food. I think I'm gonna try to eat before I leave. I have to leave at 6:30 and it's 5:42. So, yeah. I also got a haircut. Happy about that. Oh, guys, I did leg day with Kenny the other day, or 2 days ago, or was that yesterday? Actually, yesterday morning, and it's bad. That's what I gotta say. It's bad. Remember, I was showing y'all that the vases. This is so nice. And now I wish I had some flowers. I'm gonna get some tulips. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. All right, so we gotta get this set up, which we will do. We'll build this. I think we're gonna build the cat tree when we get back. And this is the wire to the cat. So we'll clean this up. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I don't know, but I'm just like about ready to cry. Cause I love her. Like